Now today we're looking at something every vehicle owner should have. This will test your battery, the starter, and the charging system all within less than 1 minute. So let's go ahead and hook this up to the vehicle. Very easy to use, very intuitive, a really nice tool to have. Now very quickly, this does have reverse polarity protection, meaning if I have the negative lead going to the positive terminal on the battery and the positive lead going to the negative terminal, it does not hurt or affect or damage the tester. Okay, so negative to negative, black to black, red to red, and very quickly you'll see the current voltage of the battery. So in this case 12.8 volts. Click OK. We want English. You can either choose in vehicle, meaning the battery is inside the vehicle, or out the vehicle, which we'll do both just so you can see what this looks like. You can either choose before charge or after charge. Before charge means the car is cold, which this is. This is a flooded battery. And then cold cranking amp, CCA. To get that, look on your battery and you'll see a label typically on top. Sometimes it's in front of the battery. In other words, sometimes there's a label right here. In this case we have 625. As you can see, this ranges up to 2,000 cold cranking amps, so this will work for anyone. And now it's testing the battery. So state of health is 55%. According to this, I should replace the battery. State of charged, SOC, is 98%, meaning this is currently 98% charged. Now, some other things we can do. Cranking test. So we'll start the vehicle, and this will test the starter. So the cranking is normal. That means that this starter is good, which it should be. It's only a couple months old. And then we can even do a load test. So as you can see, the charging system is in good shape, meaning really the alternator has no issues whatsoever. That's a really nice test because a number of years ago we did an alternator replacement video, and I showed on how to use a voltmeter doing a load, and this just makes it so easy. You can just plug this in and it quickly does the test. Let's test a battery that's not in the vehicle. Now this battery is roughly 5 years old, maybe even older than that. And as you can see, it's 585 cold cranking amps, so we'll adjust that. So 12.6 volts, English. In this case it's out of vehicle. So in vehicle was before, now out of vehicle. Before charged, cold battery. Flooded battery. You can also do some other types. You can do a flat plate, a spiral, and a gel type battery, EFB. So this is a flooded battery, cold cranking amps. It's 585. At that, testing. And there you go. The state of health is 36%, and obviously it's calling for a replacement. And as you can see, very good rating on Amazon, positive comments. For $50, this tests the battery, the starter, the charging system. Even if you don't plan on doing your own auto repair, at least you'll know the health of these components before you bring it somewhere. So thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, please leave it below, and we'll see you next time.